Good morning. This is cause number 2022-02116. In the interest of Jewel King Bullock, please all parties unmute yourselves and raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Arnisha King, and I am the mother.
All right, and representing the state of Texas Attorney General.
Andrea Eoff.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Jalen Dwayne Bullock. Mr. Bullock personally served on February 2nd, 2022 at 12:42 p.m. at 220 North Point Drive, apartment 1414 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Eoff?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. We would like to start by calling Ms. King. Will you please state your full name for the record?
Arnisha Shanae King.
And will you state the name and age of your child?
Jewel King Bullock. He is 11 months.
And Ms. King, who is the father of your child?
Jalen Dwayne Bullock.
And did he sign an acknowledgement of paternity at the time of your child's birth?
Yes.
And are you asking that the court recognize that he is the father of your child and appoint you guys as joint managing conservators?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to appoint you as the parent who designates the child's primary residence in Harris County or counties that touch Harris County?
Yes.
And are you asking that the court order that Mr. Bullock standard possession order for you?
Yes.
All right. And do you have any knowledge or evidence regarding Mr. Bullock's income?
Could you say it again? I'm sorry.
Do you have any knowledge of Mr. Bullock's income?
Yes.
And what is that? Do you know what he does?
You said it again?
Do you know what he does for a living?
Last I recalled, it was warehouse.
And to your knowledge, he makes approximately minimum wage. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And to your knowledge, there's no evidence that he doesn't make any more or less than that amount.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking that the court order him to pay $217 a month in child support beginning June 1st based on gross wages at minimum wage?
Yes, ma'am.
And how is your child currently covered for health insurance?
Medicaid.
And are you asking that the court order you to apply for that Medicaid and maintain it?
Yes.
And are you asking that the court order Mr. Bullock to pay $57 a month in cash medical support?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want any retroactive child support or back child support?
No, ma'am.
All right. And do you and Mr. Bullock have any concerns about violence or abuse or harassment?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable with Mr. Bullock having your phone number and address?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you believe an order that reflects the terms we talked about would be in your child's best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to approve an order like that and enter it?
Yes, ma'am. Come on,
Thank
baby.
I pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. You handling Fernandez case? Who's handling that?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I need to admit him. We still waiting for one of the parties, Ms. Mitchell?
Yes, Mr. Fernandez should be on here. Let me just check to make sure he did leave when I saw him, but let me just make sure he didn't come right back in on the other side.
He got disconnected evidently. There he is.
Okay.
There he is. Miss Molina, are you on, is she on video?
Yes.
Please unmute yourself and turn on your video, please, Miss Molina.
This is Mr. Fernandez, and I just got in here.
Okay, that's good. All right. Are you just on phone or are you on video, Mr. Fernandez?
I'm just on phone.
Okay. Hold on a second. He's on video? You're on, you need to turn your video on, Mr. Fernandez.
Okay.
There we go. All right. This is cause number 2022-02258 in the interest of April, Kayla, and Josiah Fernandez. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Did you hear my question?
Yes, sir.
All right. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Miss Molina, I didn't hear your answer.
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Me or Mr. Fernandez?
Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Janet Molina, and I'm their mother.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the children.
Alexander Fernandez, and the father of the children, and the alleged
All
father.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kara Mitchell.
Ms. Mitchell, we have a petition to establish parent-child relationship and a SAPSR with an acknowledgement of paternity. What are we doing today?
So, Your Honor, Mr. Fernandez signed the birth certificate or acknowledgement of paternities for April and Josiah. He didn't sign anything for Kayla. He is requesting DNA testing for all 3 children today.
You don't think you're the father of these children, Mr. Fernandez?
I got a DNA test for April Fernandez, and it came back that she was not mine.
And is there a possibility, Ms. Molina, that he's not the father of any of these children?
I believe he's just the father of Kayla and Josiah.
Okay, so let's do a DNA testing to all and we'll figure it out, okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the reset date, Ms. Mitchell?
September the 13th.
All right, then the father's challenge to the OP is granted. DNA testing is ordered for all children. Cases are reset to September 13th, 2022. Anything